let's dive right into the topic. Artem, this is the word for you. So could you please tell us a little bit about Gridbot and how it works?
The grid bot strategy itself is usually favorable in sideways market. I'm sure that everyone who connected with Gridbot and ever tried it understand this pretty good. But the thing is that the Gridbot strategy itself allows you to place incremental orders for buy and sell. All of the orders are placed simultaneously in the market, and the beauty of the sideways market is then when the market moves down, you just get these orders filled, and then when the market goes up, you get orders sell. Effectively, the idea is to get profit on the small movements. So the next step you should understand is what are the market conditions, how you can find these market conditions to use this gridbot, and that's what I will be trying to show today. So what I was trying to explain is that the best scenario that you want to use the gridbot for is like in this range. But the thing is that this is a daily chart, and the area is probably too much. Let's see how it is. It's like 22%. But anyway, you want to find support levels and resistance levels in which you can place your orders, and we will see how it works further. So this is how our gridbot looks when you come to Street Commerce and check the gridbot. And in this section, you can check, find the pairs that you want to trade, or find a strategy that you want to use with a particular pair. The strategies are telling you that you can use the gridbot with rising market, stable, with rising market, but with some leverage, reversal, and falling, of course. The thing what we want to do next is we want to set up our grid, obviously. You can do it in two ways, either geometric or arithmetic. By arithmetic, you simply place the number, and you can see it reflects here on the chart. You can see the percentage scale here. Both ways are suitable, just how you find it better for you. Also, very interesting feature, very requestable feature, I would say, is expansion up and trailing down, meaning that if the market is pretty volatile and you understand that you are trading some non-liquid pairs, and the market moves might possibly move far above your predefined levels, I mean high price and low price, you want to automatically scale, and you can do it with expansion up. Next, what I want to do is I want to set up how much money I want to use per each level. You can, of course, set based on your balance. I'm usually pretty conservative with gridbots, as I'm a trend trader. So I'm placing something about this. If you're feeling that you can get your trading can get risky, you want to stop the bot, and you can do it here. And the thing is that if the price goes above the level, you can either stop bot and leave all the currency that you gained while trading on your account, or you can close positions, meaning that you will be out of all positions, and the balance, the quote that you get while trading will be closed. Once again, I advise anyone before you start trading, just do a back test and see the results that it will produce. When you started the gridbot, you will see it in this place. With all the information, with the step, position levels, and orders. This would be coming soon as statistics, where you will be able to see in better charts how your P&L and fees are going, how you're accumulating your P&L, how it is distributed. Well, pretty much everything that you wish you had before. Really looking forward to have it because for me, it will push me to use gridbots more, as I love to understand what is happening with all my trades.
Artem, thank you so much for yet being our guest for the third time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.